What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be showing you the difference between my bird versus my friend's bird, which is a trained bird, and this one isn't a trained bird. I have old clips that I recorded from like 200 days ago, or 100 days ago, I don't know. They're old clips, so I'm gonna put those in, and then I'm gonna mix in some newer ones towards the end. So if you enjoy this video, please do drop a like, subscribe, that'd be appreciated. We hit 300 subscribers, so thank you so much for that. That's awesome. Also, I was supposed to be doing a 24-hour live stream on my second channel, but I don't know if that's going to actually happen soon because school started, all this stuff. I could get more into it in a different video or at the end. Also, my washer's going on right now, so that's why there's background noise. But anyways, let's get straight into the old video. I'm gonna play an old intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you the difference between my friend's bird and my bird. His bird is pretty well trained, and mine's not. Mine, she hasn't been trained, like since she was a baby. She hasn't been hand trained or hand fed, so she is harder to train. I've had her for almost 200 days. That's crazy. We're slowly moving to where she finally is getting tamed. Oh shit, I thought she was gonna like snap her neck. But yeah, first I'm gonna be showing you one clip for my friend's bird to show you how his is, and then I'm gonna show you how mine is. I'm just going to take out the food bowl, but I'm going to show you how she reacts when I do that. Don't freak out, just... Okay, she hissed a little bit, which honestly, at first, I didn't know birds could hiss. I have the door open, I don't want her to fly out. I didn't know birds could hiss, and when she first did that, it scared the crap out of me. But as you could see, she's still kind of scared. When I opened the door, she got a little scared. When I put my hand close to her, she hissed. But it's a lot of progress, actually. She used to be really scared. She used to hiss more. She used to try to bite me more, which she still does try to bite me. I'll show you that later in this video, but I'll show you another clip from my friend. Oh, she was playing with that little random stick thing over there. But look, this is what happens when I try to put my hand close. She's still scared a little bit. She's still not that scared. She like just backs away a little bit. But yeah. So I put new paper in there and she's messing with it right now. There's a car in the background, that's what made her freak out a little. But she likes like hold on. There's Floppy, by the way. Floppy. Hey. I can't break this one. Okay. Like if I hand her the back of this, which is a leaf, look, she usually goes for it. She's biting it. Take it. Take it. Take it from me. There you go, she has it. So yeah, she does things like that. I'm slowly taming her. I don't know. We'll get her tamed. I don't know what to say. Oh, she dropped the stick. Good job. Floppy stretching, he just woke up. Also, I know we haven't seen the spot for the bird, but this is where we have her now. It's more in the like dining room area, so she gets more attention from everyone. So yeah. Also for this video, I was like planning to. This was my plan. I was gonna show a clip of my friend's bird where he was like, where you saw he was rubbing it and like petting it. Then I was gonna show my bird where she hisses, but she doesn't really hiss anymore. And then in the old clips, she didn't really do that. I mean, now she just like backs away from my finger, and that's about it. Yeah. So as you could tell, these videos that I recorded were like way separate, like in time. The intro was about a week ago, and then some of the other clips were like 100 or more days ago, which is pretty crazy. Oh look, I just realized that this little, hold on, this little thing that she likes is up here and she can't get to it. Hold on, I'll get it for you. So yeah, I got that. But anyways, I guess this shows like the difference between the tamed bird of my friends and mine, which isn't fully tamed, and I guess it shows the difference between then and now between my bird, and also the cage difference, which the other cage was tiny. So if you did enjoy this video, please do drop a like on it. I'll appreciate it a lot. If you can subscribe, that would be even more awesome. We're at 303 subscribers right now. Oh, also, usually I try to post these kind of early, but if they end up getting uploaded like around 7, which that's not late, but it's later than what I upload, but if it gets uploaded around there, it's all gooch. But, oh, yeah, she's playing with it. I think someone might be home. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, like I said, subscribe, like, comment, do all that. See you guys soon for another video in probably like a week or two. Peace.